Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to send message with ripple effect on iPhone iOS 18. So the word ripple effect applies to the normal meaning of ripple, which like a wave form on water. So you can now add this as an effect while sending a message on your iPhone. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to send message with ripple effect on iPhone iOS 18, all you need to do is go ahead and open the iMessage on your iPhone. Then type the message, so you can just say whatever you like. So I'm going to say here, this is a ripple effect. So the ripple effect on your iPhone is a new feature that comes with the iOS 18. So once you type your message, go ahead and highlight the message you want to add the ripple effect to, like this. You can also add ripple effect to the entire message. Then swipe to the left or right until you see text effect and click on it. Once you selected text effect, then you should see ripple here. Go ahead and click on that. Then you should see the highlighted part of the text rippled. Then click outside and then go ahead and send it. Once you send the message, wait until it delivers and then you should see the text rippled. So if the user is using iOS 18, he or she will be able to see the ripple effect on the message. So that is basically how to send message with ripple effect on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.